you a very sweet strategy to make some profit. So let's get started. So we do have we want to trade options on SPY. So we do have SPY trading at 529.38. So let's trade options on SPY, and we can pretty much select our expiring date to be May 29th. And what we're actually going to be doing is to be using a strategy on stocks which don't really fluctuate a lot. Even if it does fluctuate a lot, you can still use this strategy to make some gains. So for this strategy, what we're going to be using is to be buying 2 calls and selling 2 puts. Now, so what we will do is to buy the 533 strike. You want to buy a call for this, and then we also want to buy the 534 strike. So we are buying 2 calls above our share price, and what we also want to do is to sell 2 puts right below our share price. So we want to sell this 526 strike, and we also want to sell this 525 puts, and this becomes our strategy. Now we bought 2 calls and sold 2 puts. Now this is going to be our strategy. Currently SPY is trading 529.38. now we are already making $45 if we end up completing this strategy and opening an option position. We will be making $45 because SPY is currently trading at 529.38. We make unlimited gains if SPY continues to move upward. Once it moves beyond 534.00, we start to make unlimited amount of money, and that's going to be unlimited amount of profit as long as SPY keeps moving upward. Now, should in case SPY moves downward, if it goes beyond 526, which we selected here, then we will be making losses, and the losses is the max loss is going to be $105,000, but our max gain if SPY continues to move upward is unlimited. Now you also have to know what kind of stocks you are using for the strategy. You also have to remember and consider the number of people or the volume on the particular stock before you go in for a strategy like this. You have to know if the stock is going to be rising to be able to use a strategy like this. Even if it's going to fall, it shouldn't fall below your selected strike price. So know the kind of stock you are picking for this, and also know when or where or which kind of strike price you pick in order to make some gains. So as long as SPY for this strategy, as long as SPY doesn't go below 526, we are all good. We can be making $45 for now and unlimited amount of profit until SPY falls below 525.55, and then we'll be making some losses. So make sure you use this strategy very well. Consider all other things that might affect the stock to move up and down, and put up this good strategy to make some profit and some gains. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and catch you in the next one.